The DriLyner TL system is where you apply Gyproc ThermaLine boards onto new masonry backgrounds. On new build projects, you should ensure the walls are dry before drylining takes place. On renovation of old backgrounds where the plaster has been removed, ensure old backgrounds are cleaned down and sealed with a dilution of thistle gyp prime before applying Gyproc ThermaLine boards. So, let us run through the products to complete DriLyner TL. Gyproc Drywall adhesive, which is used to bond the Gyproc ThermaLine boards or Gyproc wall boards in the DriLyner basic system. Gyproc nailable plugs, which are required as a secondary mechanical fix with Gyproc ThermaLine boards. Thistle gyp prime, to control high suction backgrounds. There is a range of Gyproc ThermaLine boards which can be used. They are Gyproc ThermaLine Basic, Plus, Super and PIR. First, we need to determine the high spots on the wall. Using a piece of the Gyproc ThermaLine board, you are going to use an allowance of 10mm for the Gyproc drywall adhesive. Mark the plumb position to the ceiling and floor at both ends of the wall. Once this is done, strike a chalk line on the floor and ceiling. Mark the wall with vertical lines at 1200mm to indicate the board positioning. Using a saw, cut the Gyproc ThermaLine boards slightly shorter than floor-to-ceiling height. First, trowel apply a continuous fillet of Gyproc drywall adhesive to the perimeter of the wall, around any surface penetrations and window or door openings to provide optimum airtightness to the wall lining. Start drylining from an internal angle, window or door reveal. Trowel apply Gyproc drywall adhesive to form dabs 50 to 70mm wide and approximately 250mm long. The dabs should be 75mm apart. Position the dabs in 3 vertical rows to receive the board. Ensure the dabs are kept approximately 25mm from the edge of the board to avoid bridging the joint. Apply intermediate dabs at ceiling level. Apply a continuous band of Gyproc drywall adhesive at floor level. This creates a solid backing for skirtings and maintains the perimeter seal for airtightness to the wall lining. Additional dabs can be applied where you know wall units and radiators are going to be positioned. Now we are ready to apply the Gyproc ThermaLine board onto the wall, tapping it back with a straight edge until the board is in line with the ceiling and floor chalk lines. Once the Gyproc drywall adhesive is set, select the correct length nailable plug to give a 25mm penetration into the masonry background. Drive in each plug until the head is slightly below the liner without fracturing it. Now for a window reveal. A solid band of drywall adhesive is applied around window openings to maintain a perimeter seal. At window and doorway openings, it is important to return the thermal board into the reveals to reduce thermal bridging around openings. Run the lining past the corner by 27mm for the Gyproc ThermaLine Plus, which is being used to return into the reveal. Cut the insulation back to allow the installation of another Gyproc ThermaLine board on the reveal, in order to maintain a plasterboard line to the surface. Window and door reveals create significant thermal bridges where plasterboard is used instead of Gyproc ThermaLine board. It is important you return ThermaLine board into the reveal for correct installation. There you have it, DriLyner TL. Drylining and insulation in one operation.